What is up, guys? It is Grandpa Chewy here, Captain Chewy, whatever. We're on Grandpa Chewy's account, and wanted to show you guys the log here. We're looking pretty darn good. We finished up some battles yesterday. Started doing the thing. Show you how I got all these victories. Just show you a couple of these battles here. Three boats of seekers, barrage the top, one boat of critters, boom. Talking about some victory screech. But anyways, let's check out these. You can use 3 barrages, and that's it. 3 boats. 1, 2, 3. We already dropped our critters. They're running. Here they come. Boom, sucker. This guy, he was able to do it to me just a little smidget faster. Had heavy choppers. Not heavy choppers, but rocket choppers. He was just able to get a nice, even mix there. But as we went on, 3 boats of seekers. 1, 2, 3. Letting them do their thing. Boom. Here we go. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we dropped all the seekers that time. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you that one because it's the next fastest. I'll do a live attack and then we'll end the video there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 boats of seekers. They may have had that extra little health, but that box of critters takes care of it. Shock for good measure. Boom, sucker. Victory screech. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, super not fun. You know, still rocking no instant training, but we're on the 7 times win streak. I mean, guys, it's going to be the same thing. We're going to drop all of our seekers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little delay in there. 1, 2, 3. Got it. We're going to throw a shock right there because that's going to be hot pot, like hot pot central. Boom, sucker, shock again. Boom, 331. Boom, he had 325. That is another victory screech. So before we leave out, let's check out our tech tree real quick. This is what we're looking at. This was the only account that I went ahead and decided to get the rockets. They are only stage 4, and 3 will take them down. See, does it show? It's not showing. Holy cow, go away. Back. We're not running a full 50% building health yet. We could go ahead and do that now, but I was gonna let the streak run out, just roll on it as far as we could before I changed anything. But that is where we're sitting at, waiting to open it up this 4th ER. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. I gotta go back to work. I'm on my lunch break, and I've got 1 minute to get back inside. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, hit that bell notification so you can get notified anytime that I make a video or do a live stream, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys keep it safe out there. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!